And I was dreaming when I wrote this. Excuse me if it goes astray. We got Coterra Energy and we're looking to make a trade. That sounded just like Prince. It really did. Rest in peace. Prince and Michael Jackson. Come on, guys. What does Whitney think? Oh, really? That's not funny. It really isn't. Three of my favorites of all time: Whitney Houston, Prince, Michael Jackson. Come on. Why? Looking at Coterra Energy, we have some positions. We have some posish in Coterra already, and we're looking to sell some puts. I think we're going to sell some puts. Market closed on Monday. Coterra Energy inauspiciously down today, even though the market is up. S&P 500 up nearly 55 points. The Dow 327 points. The Nas and the DAC 274 points. And our friend Russ is up nearly 20 points. And even that crude oil, that crude and rude oil, and you know, I've heard it. The rumors of crude oil's death are greatly exaggerated. So we keep trading on the energies. We like energy for some reason. Very attractive. Very attractive PE ratios, very attractive PEG ratios, price to earnings growth. So we have some Coterra, and I think we're going to trade some puts right now. It's currently trading at 24.19. Now, this is going to seem a little risque, but we're looking at the $24 bill. It's got an implied volatility of 32.34%. This is a 41 delta. What's your function? 30 cents on the credit. And I'm looking at doing 10 of those contracts. You crazy. You are absolutely crazy. Can we get a little extra action? Can we get maybe 32 cents? 320 will let me do 32 cents, or is it 5-cent increments? Yeah, it is. It's 5-cent increments right there. So we're going to need to go to 30 cents if we want to fill it right now, right here. And right now, for a $300 credit, $24 strike price, cash secured put, and that's going to be $24,000 in collat and to roll. There's our $24,000 in collateral right there. Let's submit that, get it filled right here and right now. Wait a minute, an error. Oh no, something went wrong. Please try again. What do you mean go back? Go back, cash secured put, 10 contracts, 30 cents, right? 30 cents, high likelihood of filling, $300 credit, $24,000 in collateral. There's 5, there's 10, so there is $310. We'll take it. 10 extra bucks. That'll pay for an extra Starbucks or two. Let's see what the math is on this. It's a 7-day trade. We got $310 divided by 24,000, 1.2%. Excuse me. 1.2%. We divide that by the 7, and then we multiply it by our annualized, beep, boop, boop, 365. That's 67.3%. What's going on with your voice? I don't know. It's probably all the excitement from Coterra Energy. Probably all that excitement. So there's $310. Very, risque type of trade. But here's my theory. This is my thesis on this trade. Okay, so they're just announced. If we go over to the Yahoo, they did just announce that they or just experienced their ex-dividend date of May 25th. And according to my Mayan calendar, that was yesterday. So typically a stock will experience a bit of a dip in stock price on ex-dividend date, maybe the day after. That is, I believe, what's happening here. The other part of the thesis is I just kind of feel like those dopey politicians are going to come to some sort of a debt ceiling agreement in the next couple of days, next few days, which could bode well just for, a short-term little biz ounce in the market. Could be more than a short-term bounce. Got a little interesting inflation numbers, which could lead to another interest rate hike next month. So a lot of things to keep an eye on. But Coterra Energy, at the end of the day, is a position that we would accept at $24 a share. Now, they've done away, at the moment, they've currently done away with their special dividend. If we look in, when did they pay that? So at the end of March, they paid their fixed dividend of 20 cents plus a special dividend of 37 cents. This quarter, nope, sorry, just paying the fixed. But I just kind of feel like the next declaration date, they're going to give us another little woohoo. There's a little extra dough for you in the special dividend, because you see they had some nice action the last couple of years with their special dividend. I certainly feel like the death of oil is greatly exaggerated. So we got that going for us. We've got an extra day of no market activity. So essentially one more extra day of theta on Monday. Markets closed. So we'll see what goes on. We've got that trade on the board. But while we're here, while we're at it, let's go to the Coterra. Okay. And we've got 800 shares at an average cost of $24.76. 800 shares, and we have no positions open. Oh, wait, I'm sorry. Really? I don't know why in my mind I had no calls on the board, but apparently I do. I've got these $26 calls right here on the board. We could probably roll them for the same expiration date, but roll them down a dollar bill and still collect some premium. So let's see if that's possible. If we roll this position, it's automatically going to add a week. So it adds a week to June 9th. But if we rolled it back to the same date, so we've got the $26 strike right now with the 6/2 closing, 6/2 expiration. Can we go down a dollar and still cover? We could actually go down just 50 cents if we wanted and still cover. Doot, doot, doot. Doot, 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 doot. I think I'll do that. I think I'd rather do that. I know this nearly doubles my premium, but I think we'll stick with the $25.50. We'll try to put $56 in our pocket right now. Doesn't look like it's going to happen. Oh boy. See, because these are 5-cent increments, right? Let's just put the 5 on the board. Let's put them on the board and then just leave them there for just a few minutes. We want a credit. That's a big credit, $40. But we are rolling it down to the $25.50. So we'll leave it on the board for now. And then we'll check back on it. We've got 15 minutes left in the trading day, 2:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Market closes in 15 minutes. I'm looking over at the Big Mac on the left of me. We got a really good day in general. SPY is at 420.43, so some of my SPY positions are under pressure, but still not too close to the money. My QQQs are just getting battered downtown to Chinatown. I think I have a 337 short leg expiring next week, and currently the Qs are at 349. So that's not very nice. Might dissuade me from trading the Qs in the future. So I still have a couple ideas in mind. I'll check back with you before the closing. Ding-a-ding, ring-a-ding-ding. And probably make one more trade before this long weekend. So thanks for tuning. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you are indeed a subscriber. Like the video, comment, share it with a lovable friend, and I'll see you in the next video.